is Preeti and you are welcome in my channel Pretty and Stylish. So in today's video I will be sharing an amazing trendy and stylish nightwear haul video. But yes, I have kept a comfort in my mind, so all these collections are not only trendy and stylish but they are comfortable to wear too. So these days we all spend maximum times at our home because of the lockdowns and strict restrictions in most of the countries. So while we are at home, why don't we dress up nicely at home? I don't know about others, but whenever I dress up nicely, I groom myself, I will feel very good and confident. So those collections which I will be sharing today, I will make sure that I will keep a link in my description box so that it will be easier for you all. And these all collections are from Shein. Shein has unlimited collection of trendy pieces at affordable prices. So for those who don't want to spend a lot of money but still don't want to compromise in terms of style, design, print and comfort, this is one of the best online website for a budget friendly and affordable shopping. So in order to shop smarter, I will also share some tips with you which I have learned from my experience. So without any further ado, let's start a video. So it comes in a separate packing and each item is packed nicely in a Ziploc bag. I'm really impressed with the packaging. First of all, I'm not gonna throw this Ziploc bags as I can use it from my packing my stuff like that. So these bags are really useful. Love the packaging. So my first item is this. Look at this. Satin material and collar neck, short sleeves. I really love the print. And this is the shorts with this. So this one is in very pretty baby pink color and it's in silky satin material. I got it in a small size and it's true to size and I really love the floral print and the quality is awesome. It has collar neck and contrast binding in sleeves as well as in the neck. So this one is in medium size, again very beautiful floral print and it's in black color with the collar neck and short sleeves. And this is the pant and look at it. This again is a very beautiful set with pants. I love the print and it has got a very pretty lace in the pocket and sleeves are short and also collar neck design. The material is very lightweight and it's very comfortable to wear. Okay. So the third one is one of my favorite one because of the color. So this one is in mint green color and this is one of the most beautiful set from my nightwear collection because of the most prettiest mint green color. It has V neck and it comes with a knot and a wrap which is really different. It has short sleeves. I really love the material. This is very soothing and perfect for summers. I'm really very satisfied with the quality, print, color and size, and the most important, they are comfortable to wear and very affordable. Also, the one which I am wearing is one of my favorite, and it has got a V-shaped neck and the lace all over the neck, and the sleeve is like this sleeves. It has got a belt. This is one of my favorite and is really very beautiful and stylish pant set with a ruffle in it. Something very different from my other night wears, but yet very stylish. You can also wear it outside. It has long sleeves with an elastic in hand, and it has V-shaped neck with a lace work all over. It's in super soft kind of satin mixed material, and I ordered it in a small size. And it comes with a belt to tie, which makes it look more stylish. I don't know you can see it or not, but the color is apricot color, and yeah, again very beautiful color. The material is very nice and comfortable, and it has got short sleeves with a piping in it and collar neck, and the pant again is full length pant. Again a very beautiful pant set with a floral print, and I ordered it in a small size. In order to shop smartly with them, please check the sizing measurement, which is really very important. Read the reviews about the quality and materials. This is one of this is also a very beautiful piece, very beautiful piece from my nightwear collection. It is very comfortable to wear in it, and I really love the lace in the neck and as well as in the short. For those who love to wear shorts and they are comfortable to wear, and for them this is the perfect one in this, and it's really nice and beautiful. Look at this. So this is the short. Then I have this cute little set. It's very pretty and girly. I love this so much. It's perfect for these hot summer days, and I really love the lace in the neck and shorts as well. Again, the quality is great and I love it so much. If you wear shorts and feel comfortable, you can go for these kinds. So always check the reviews of the customer. They also leave the pictures of the items by providing sizing as well, which is really helpful. Read the description of the item like fit, type, details and fabric. So these are some tips which I use when I shop with them, and I hope these tips are helpful for you while ordering from Shein. Then at last I have this very beautiful peach color strips in it, and the pant is really beautiful and comfortable. This is the pant. a kind of loose, but it's very comfortable to wear, again in satin material. Then at last I got this beautiful pant set which is in satin silk kind of material. Definitely not pure silk, but really pretty with the spaghetti strip and the lace work on it. I really love the strip pants. So yeah, that's all guys. I really hope that you all like the collection. So just let me know in the comment section, so which one is your choice of a nightwear from all these collections, and do share your experience shopping with Shein. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that I will be motivated to make more of such interesting videos for all of you guys. Do let me know in the comment section what would you like to see next in my videos, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching guys.